Are you looking for the best 10-inch compound sliding miter saw? In this video, we will break down the top 6 10-inch compound sliding miter saws on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Evolution R255 SMS Plus. This is a 10-inch multi-material sliding miter saw. Its premium Japanese tungsten carbide tipped blade easily handles a wide range of materials, including hardwood, reclaimed wood with nails, mild steel, rebar, aluminum, copper, electrical conduit, plastic pipes, plexiglass, rubber, and composites. The saw has a 15-amp motor and a no-load top speed of 2,500 revolutions per minute. It can cross-cut wood up to 11.75 inches wide and cuts bevels up to 45 degrees and miter cuts up to 50 degrees in either direction. And with the included laser guide, you'll always know that your cuts are precise. The dust bag keeps sawdust under control for a cleaner workshop. Lastly, it provides a 3-year limited manufacturer's warranty for any customer satisfaction. At number 2. WEN MM1011. It is a reliable and affordable miter. It has perfect features. It has a blade 4,500 cutting speed with a powerful 15 MP motor, a perfect combination for hardwood. The device works with 12 inches boards wide and 3.5 inches thick. Also, the miter features 9 positive stops. You can set it 45 degrees in either direction as well as the single bevel to the left. The onboard laser helps you to make a straight cut. This model has a 38 pounds weight, so you can transport it easily. Its height reaches a maximum of 16 inches. The length and width are the same, such a design saves a lot of space for convenient cutting. After all, it gives a 2-year warranty to this miter saw. Also, you will get a 40-tooth carbide blade, 1 clamp assembly, a dust port adapter, and a dust bag, 2 table extensions. At number 3. Delta 26 to 2241. This is a single bevel compound miter saw. It offers a mix of durability and power and is a good choice for both professionals and hobbyists alike. This saw has a 15-amp motor that can deliver up to 4,000 RPMs. There is also an adjustable miter detent plate made from stainless steel for added durability. It comes with 14 positive stops, which you can override and then adjust to whatever setting you prefer. Also, this miter saw has a crosscut capacity of up to 2 by 8 inches at 90 degrees. With an increased crown capacity of 45 degrees, it goes up to 7.5 inches. It can bevel to the right up to 47 degrees and to the left for up to 47 degrees as well. It has a total of 7 positive stops at 22.5 degrees, 33.9 degrees, 45 degrees, and more of the usual popular positive stops. In terms of miter capacity for the 26 to 2241, you'll be working with a range of 50 degrees to left miter, 60 degrees to the with 10 miter detents and positive stops. Moreover, it is a bulky and well-built miter saw that has some exceptional engineering qualities. And with every purchase of this sliding compound miter saw, you will also get a dust bag, vertical clamp, side handles along the base, a carbide blade, and a blade wrench. At number 4. MAKITA LS1019L. This is a perfect sliding compound miter saw. It is an excellent tool for multiple woodcrafting tasks. The quality of material and parts used in manufacturing the tool makes it a highly powerful and durable machine. Also, this saw is a combination of great design, high performance, and accuracy. Moreover, some of its innovative features set it apart from many of the miter saws in the category. It has a powerful and smooth-running motor that is the heart of a sliding compound miter saw. And it provides a 15 amp direct drive motor that runs effortlessly in performing any job at hand. The uniquely designed dual sliding rails mounted on the side make it perfect for working in confined spaces. Besides, it has linear ball bearing that facilitates super smooth sliding, ensuring high precision and accuracy in multiple types of operations. Moreover, this is a high-capacity sliding miter saw with a laser guide. It can execute the cutting jobs of 4x4 lumber passes in a single go with equal ease and speed as executing the jobs of baseboard cutting or crown molding. At number 5. METABO HPTC10 FSBS. This is a 10-inch sliding dual compound miter saw with a 12-ampere motor for specialized power for the hard-hitting cutting jobs. It also features a soft start function which diminishes noise and recoil throughout the startup. This ultimate in system and function saw is great for trim carpenters, framers, and woodworkers. Also, it is equipped with a linear ball bearing slide system which gives dead-on accuracy with a smooth cutting experience. Complemented with a significantly larger pivoting fence, it can effortlessly support larger trims and boards, providing stability and flexibility during the cutting operation. The operators can swiftly flip the saw blade too with a 45-degree dual bevel angle range while keeping the workpiece tight in place. As well, this saw features an electric brake and electronic speed control to keep the RPM constant while avoiding any constant unintentional and accidental cuts. Overall, this is one relatively cheap sliding miter saw with ultra power and direct drive which marks easy swift cutting through hardwoods with effortlessness. At number 6. JET 707210. This is a 54 pounds medium-heavy sliding type dual bevel compound miter saw with a powerful 15-ampere motor punching maximum at 4,200 RPM. Embedded linear bearings with upfront bevel controls permit for controlled and smooth slide and cut operation. Also, this miter saw features an additional single motion thumb lever to change miter angles quickly. It has an ergonomic rubber grip handle for maximum control. An included thin sharp high visibility red laser provides precise cut line position and the LED light provides supplementary visibility in low lit workspaces. This miter saw is one of the most multi-purpose saws in your shop. This also has a dust port with a provided dust bag and a 2.5 inches connector to get the most dust collection possible. Besides, this saw is a workhorse that is also portable enough with adjustable left and right fences and extension tables for support with a 5-second motor brake to provide greater versatility. Also, the miter detent override provides good adjustments for unlimited miter angles. Furthermore, this saw is a workhorse in your workshop that is also portable enough to be traveling with you wherever you need a great saw on the job. It proficiently cuts miter, bevel, straight and compound angles with precision and exactitude over a hand saw.